Today we're on a trip from Malaga to northern France, a town called Rennes, via Nantes. So this is Malaga Airport, and Malaga Airport's easy to get around. We've had some rainy storms in Malaga this week. So we use this airline called Volataire, which no problems.
Buongiorno. Che dinner?
So it's a bit grey today, the weather's not so good, hasn't been good in Malaga, and I've got a weather window to get an aircraft that I'm picking up from Rennes to fly to southern Spain, so that's why it's all grey. So here we are in Nantes. Now this airlines have no problems with it in the Airbus 360. So travelling around, most airfields have a bus that goes from the airfield to the main town centre. Always avoid using taxis because the taxis have a tax to any airport all over Europe. If you're going to use a taxi, it's best to get out the airport and then order a taxi if you want to save yourself 20 or 30 euros. Now the bus here is 10 euros and I think the trip's about half an hour. Then when we get to Nantes, we go to the train station, and travelling around Europe on the train's cheap as well. So this is an hour and a half from Nantes to Rennes, and it's 20 euros on the train. Europe's made up of a load of hubs of trains. It's as easy to get around on a train as it is on a plane. Most of the time it's cheaper to fly than it is on the train, especially in Spain, even though in Spain they're trying to discourage people from flying and getting them onto the trains. So just sitting back, watching the countryside pass by on the train. So now we're in Rennes, and my hotel's a walk away from the train station. As it's nice weather, it's a half-hour walk to the hotel. If it was raining or the weather was bad, I'd get an Uber or something. It's a standard looking French town. It's the hotel. It's giving us the Wi-Fi. So just going out for a walk in the afternoon. So this is Rennes centre area. This is mid-November, so they're just getting ready for Christmas. So you can see the weather's all cleared up, ready for me to fly a plane tomorrow. I'm flying from Rennes to Barcelona. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up and a like. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. We film these videos when we travel around Europe.